is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as y'all can see by the title, I will be decorating my car. Before I get into the video, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time your girl posts. Here are my teams. Here is what came in the mail today. I ordered this sometime last week and it just came today. I kind of already opened the package because I didn't want to open nobody else's package in the house. But what I got in this box, here's my seat covers that I ordered. I chose the all black kind. And here's the steering wheel that I chose. It's the all diamond one. Nothing too special. I chose the silver one because I wanted to match the black. And lastly, just for this video, I got some license plate. I got a license plate cover. We do not want to put new seat covers on the dirty seats. We're gonna vacuum. Before I get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time your girl posts. So I got tired midway of vacuuming. So whatever she looking like, it's fine. And if it's dim in here, it's because the tint on the window is making it look purplish in here, but don't complain. We're gonna start off with the steering wheel because I just think that's the easiest thing to start off with. Here she is again. It comes with a little sticker to put around your push to start button. This one right here. I've heard that people said that like something about their transmission stopped working. Put the little sticker on there and they give them car problems just because of that one little sticker. So we're not gonna take that risk. So I'm not gonna put mine on there. She is all blinged out. So cute. This is what I wanted when I first got my car. I just never got a chance to order it. I heard this was hard to put on. We're gonna do it right the first time. We some G's. All right, she's on. Okay, I see you blinging. Ooh, yes, sir. Now that we've got the steering wheel on there, I'm gonna open up the license plate. Some bolts in here, showing me how to do things. But here it is right here. She all blingalicious. I probably gotta go to AutoZone for somebody to help me put this on because I don't know how to do it. So right now we're just gonna put the seat covers on and then we probably just go to AutoZone to get some help with this. I turn the brightness up so y'all can see my seats. If I'm looking washed out, that's why. All right, you guys. So I finally got the first seat on. As y'all can see, I got the first seat on. That took a minute. So we're gonna take this one off. Voila. And we're finna put the new one on. I don't know if y'all can tell the difference between this and that back there, but I see a difference. Next seat. All right, I just made my way to the back seat. Now I'm just hoping that I can actually put the seat covers on this back seat, because I see on the packaging that it's like the seat's gotta be a whole bench, and it didn't tell me that on Amazon. So honestly, I don't even think this thing's supposed to be on my seats, because I didn't try to force it on there, but it's gonna stay because I paid the money for it. I'm gonna try to put the back seats on there, and then we'll be done with the seat covers, thank God. But I'm pretty sure this is not supposed to be here, because I got 2 extra are these little seat covers. Alright, you guys, so I'm done with the back seat. It's just like the little puffy spots. But hey, it's not even that bad. If it doesn't work out, you know, I might just order some more, but not until a while from now because these not even that bad. I'm gonna probably go to AutoZone so they can help me put on my license plate, and then I'll be done with this part. So we finna see how she work. She about that talk, but is she about that walk? Okay. That's good. It make my steering wheel feel way bigger than what it actually is. I mean, it's not really a problem for me. I really like the way it looks for me. I'll see y'all when I get to AutoZone. I got my little thing installed. Hold on. I got it installed and look at her. She is beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified every time your girl posts a new video. I'll see y'all next time.
God damn it, DJ D. Higgs, you did it again.